Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to format phone numbers in Google Sheets. For this example, we will use sample phone numbers from the United States. From the data, the proper format to follow is the first employee's format. First, click and drag to select the cells that contain the phone numbers which are not properly formatted. Click Format in the top menu, hover over Number, then in the menu that appears, scroll down and choose Custom Number Format. In the dialog box that appears, type your desired format in the Custom Number Format field, substituting 0 for numbers. Let's type open round bracket, 3 zeros, close round bracket, space, 3 zeros, hyphen, then 4 zeros. Then, click the green Apply button. Your numbers will now be displayed in the phone number format you have set. So, that is how you format phone numbers in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.